Respected dignitaries, let me introduce myself to you all. My name is Jahnavi and I am pursuing second BSc MPC in Government College Autonomous Rajamahendravaram. My topic is about the biggest challenge to the women. If we look into the past, from ages of kings and kingdoms, kings are given chance to learn Shastras, Vedas, and archery, but queens are restricted to be in palaces only. The freedom that was given to kings to read, learn all the things were not given to queens. And from that time onwards, women are facing so many discriminations and challenges. If we look into the past centuries, let's see about in some countries the women are not allowed to study, and in some countries the women are getted married in the age of 6 or 7 to 60 or 70 years old man. If the man died, then the little girl's life will also end by sati sahagamanam. And in some countries, if we look that the democratic countries are not allowing the women to get their right to vote. These all are abolished in the present days, but the women have faced all these challenges in the past centuries only. So we can clearly say that woman is a great personality and living legend on this earth. The girl's life was fully made up of challenges. Right from the birth, she has to take a challenge to be being like a good daughter to their parents, best guide to their brothers and sisters, and great role model to the society, equal partner to lead their family, good mother to their kids. Likewise, these challenges all are accepted by women. So we can clearly say that women in each stage, in each step, they are their they are great legends to this society. Uh, Putting a part of these past situations of women, nowadays women are not restricted to their households. They are given democracy and freedom in this society to do what they want. But in some families, this was also restricted because of lack of awareness, and also they have some fears about the situations happening in this society. A girl went to job and being abused. This was a ridiculous situation in this society. If we look into this example, the parents of a girl was so feared to insist their girl child to job or to go them to long distance to study. Likewise, these all situations were created by us. So we should not treat a girl, a boy differently. We should treat them equally. The girls are having challenges even in the womb of a mother. If they won't want a girl child, they use it to kill the girl child in the womb of the mother. See how bad situation it was. We are living in a matured society also. We didn't look into these small things, but because we are living in a society that was meant for money, we see only money, but we doesn't see the girl child was not seeing this world from the starting stage. Means the in the mother's womb only the girl was not um, have security. Means if she enters into this world, see how many problems that the girl should face. Likewise, the biggest challenges that was faced by women were lots. I want every girl to know that her voice can change this world.